Let's look at currencies in the second week of April. Start with the pound dollar on the monthly. I like to start out all my outlooks on the monthly. It really tells you what's going on and who's in control and actually where we're going. I'm looking at this W. I've been seeing it since it was about a J here or something like that. I'm expecting this is my move for probably this month into next month. I'm not worried about it, but 1400. You know, a little exuberation. Who knows? I don't know. I'm gonna follow my bosses, tell the charts what to do. Actually, they tell me what to do. One day we're gonna turn around. It says 5-0. Now this pound dollar looks like it could get weak one day. 99 cents. You know, I'm not experienced. I haven't been trading. An over. But even in 2009, we were pretty low. And go down here, even par. Dollar for a dollar. That's insane. Moving on, let's see 4 hour. Emotionally, these are my indications, the crosses, because I don't like staring at charts, and I have other jobs and other interests, and other people can look at this stuff, but I like the crosses. 5 to 50 day moving average cross on the 4 hour chart. This trade's still open for 265. Let's go back a little ways. Let's go to the beginning. This is another West Side Worldwide, or a W, whatever you want to call it. Here's a cross. I like to get out around this bearish and go a little bit of consolidation. I'm taking profit and figuring out if this is actually a bow tie. I call it a bow tie. This cross thing, West Side Worldwide buy cross, and that's today. Let's see. Let's look at pound yen long term. Pound yen long term. Here's your J, that thing that we saw in the pound dollar. Let's at this. We still got most common retracement point, 5-0. 5,000 pips. One day, we get to irrational exuberation. Who knows? I'm not sure. Again, doing what the crosses tell me. So come down one day, there's that pound weeks. $12,000. 12,000 pips. What is that? 58 cents. Pound yen, I'm not sure if they'll allow that to happen. Government intervention, problems in Japan. I'm not sure on that, because I'm pretty bullish on the I'm bullish on the U.S. dollar. West Side wide here, 5 minute. This is just something I was taking a little gamble on a lot, micro lot on the open, and see if she works out. Little tight stop, market reaching right here. Aussie dollar long term. What I like here is that every way up, we've got a fib line. Support, resistance, launch pad. So look at the big old gap we got from the 1 to the 161 overall. There's no resistance in there. Let's come up here. You're going to have a shorter term chart to see some resistance, but that's why it's out of control. 1900 pips still, and then all this is going to reverse. The C becomes the A, the D becomes the B. We're going to reach the C either further up or maybe a reversal back down. Who knows what they have in plan. If you want to take this one even down to the 4 hour, you're going to see your 4 hour cross. You want to be successful out of the gate, say, get a micro count, 10 cents a pip, and let her rock and roll on these crosses. 4 hours, 5 and 50 day moving average. Moving on, US dollar chief longer. Here's where I don't have much experience in is how can a currency be negative 39 cents? That seems a little ridiculous to me. I haven't been trading, but 6 years getting these patterns figured out. I can see, Switzerland is strong. They got life over there. We're a part of this Euro crap. 1100 to the downside. Maybe everybody will figure it out. America's strong. It is a world power. Maybe we come back up for 7,000 pips. Irrational exuberation. Who knows? One day, maybe come down to the 161. That seems more logical. 45 cents. Go America. That's all I'm saying. Maybe I'll be vacation in Switzerland in 2017, July. Let's see, U.S. dollar yen long term. Again, your G7 interference, that earthquake we're in here, bow tie. It's all so classic. Here, 4 hour cross. Are you really worried about this? No, you're not. Where's the big bearish engulfing that, kills the deal and starts the other side of the bow tie? She ain't here yet, okay? And, I got a limit up here. I'm going to see what happens around here and just easy breezy cover girl, call it a day on that. CAD long term. ABCD structure. Real powerful in Canada right now. let's look at down to the 261 because we've already had some satisfaction at 618. So that tells you 218. Let's talk about coming down another 1700, reversing this thing. C becomes the A, D becomes the B, and knows because I don't think we're coming up to this 5-0 to reverse this action. It's 2200 to the upside, and roughly 1800 to the downside. Irrational exuberation, 400. Who knows? Let me check all these currencies, make sure I got them all correct. They're all good. Those are my outlooks on the currencies, coming up. So remember, you can roll this money over into a Roth IRA tax-free, build up America, and it's all about the orphans. Get those pips.